In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to Black Flash in Jujutsu Infinite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Performing a Black Flash can be done after you go over to your skill 3 in Jujutsu Infinite and you get the Focus Awaken 3. As you can see here, according to the description, awakens your ability to focus your cursed energy. This is going to unlock the Focus 3. So when you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, after acquiring this node, you will be able to see a new bar. This grants you 3 focus totems, and as you can see, it allows you to perform black flashes. So for you to actually do a black flash, what you have to do is do an M2 plus R at the same time, or a Jujutsu move. And you will perform the black flash as the description suggests here. So immediately upon unlocking this node, if you go back and you look at the bottom left, you will see this new bar above your health. This bar with the blue tokens can be charged by doing M1s and just doing combos. Once you attack an enemy or just a dummy enough, this is going to fill out completely. And you will be able to consume these tokens to perform black flashes. So once you have at least one bar filled, just walk up to any enemy, any dummy, and then do the keybinds that I mentioned. So press M2 plus R or Taijutsu move and you will be able to see the black flash effect go out. Immediately after doing this, one of the blue token bars will be consumed and you might be able to get some special effects depending on your skill 3 or depending on how many black flashes you perform in a row. But to actually answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do is press M2 plus R. As long as you have one of these bars filled, the tokens, you will be able to perform the black flash immediately. So just press M2 plus R and you will be able to do as many black flashes as you want once you fill out these bars after acquiring the Focus Awaken 3. I hope I was able to help you on how to black flash in Jujutsu Infinite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.